Yo, what's up guys? It's Chaotic Tutorials here today. Today we're talking about Dead or Life Extreme Venus Vacation. This is my third time making this video too. So just letting you guys know that. Last time I used the wrong microphone, apparently. So yeah, I'm going to step you guys through. I'm going to create a new. I'm going to close my Google Chrome, and we're going to go to Upload Haven. I'm going to go to my upload, my 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 file share. You want this link basically, and I'll be linking that in the description below. So you want this file called VPN Gate Client 2019 November 24th, build 9727. You want to download this. I already have it downloaded, of course, because I've tested this method. Let me double check. Yeah, this is what it'll look like, but I'm going to step you through the process. VPN Gate, and you want to double click this. It's automatically going to uh, run as administrator by default for you. Okay, you want to click this. Wait, let me redo that. It'll open up to this. You want to click this. Do not click this. That's admin tools only. You want to click this. And you want to, if this isn't checked, it's actually normally checked. You want to click I agree if it's not already clicked. You want to click next, and if you want to, you can read this. So yeah, okay, next, and if you want to, you can specify a destination, which I'm not going to. You just want to click next and the next. Okay, now it's going to install. Let's just wait. It's just going to install. It take it normally doesn't take long to install unless it's your processor. So basically, I keep going ahead. You want to click VPN Gate Public VPN Relay Servers. Do not click this, or it'll open up this. You'll basically connect you'll create a public VPN. So yeah, you don't want that. You want you want this. Double click this. VPN Gate Public Relay Service. Make sure it looks like this. You want to do not click Japan. You want something for Finland, which would be looking like this. You want to connect to this. More sessions means it most likely won't work. Yeah, see, that one didn't work. You want to, and here's one. Let's see if this connects. I doubt it. No, don't switch. Nope. Add public VPN. Finland. If none of them work, I'll show you how to refresh the list. That one didn't work. Basically, to refresh the list is right here. If none of them work. So, Finland. Yep, that one worked. This one most likely will not be at your present. So, I already have an account. But, I'm going to go create an account for you guys. Well, I'm not going to create an account for you guys. But I'm going to show you how to create an account. So basically, you want to open up Steam. You cannot use your main account for this. It has to be a separate account. So yeah, it has to be a separate account. You can't family game share the game because it's region blocked. So yeah, there used to be a message from SteamDB apparently where you could manually install it onto your system, but that won't even work anymore. So yeah, I'm going to create a new account. Okay. Anytime now. This VPN might be slow. But it's not loading the Steam page. Or is it going to disconnect? Some of these. Yes, see, oh, it does give out a one second, guys. Okay, we have to connect to a new VPN. Disconnect. You want to connect to a new VPN. If that one does not work. Finland. If this one doesn't work again. Nope. Okay, time to refresh. Japan won't work. I already tried Japan. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, see, it'll be a different currency. You want that. Which my Steam is stuck open. It's stuck open, so I have to end the process. VPNs could be a little slow. Some could be faster. I'm just trying to find a working one. There we go. So I'm going to use my alternate email for you guys don't see all my emails. About time. I'll have to verify my YouTube channel. Well, I already have the game installed. So, yeah. Let's go and go to that email, which is going to be super slow. My internet's not like this. Once you create the account, you would be able to download the game on your own network. You don't have to connect to the VPN itself. So, yeah. You won't have to connect to the VPN itself. Just letting you know. I'm gonna make my password. Okay, finally it loads in. Okay, so you'll have this. Well, you have to go to the Steam download page first. There live Extreme Venus Vacation. That'll pop up. And boom, you have it you just click play game. Well, you get it first, but I have it downloaded. Well, I don't have it fully downloaded, I only have it downloading data. So yeah, there will be more tutorials on this game because you'll have to. There is mods for this game, but I'll be modding on my own account. So yeah, there's outfit mods. I'm not going to describe what other mod there is, but there is mods for a free-to-play game, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so yeah, I'm going to end this here. I have to verify my YouTube account for this video because we ran into the issues. So yeah, I'm going to stop the recording, and I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.